In question number 7, a kite is given. Kite is given in the shape of square, and one rectangle is also given with side 6 centimeter and base is 8 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find area. This diagonal is given as 32. So this region we should find, and this region plus this region area separately. So now what we will do, let A be side of a square. That means this is A, this is A. So if it is a square, this angle will be right angle. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write here? A square plus A square. So we can name this ABCD. In triangle ABC, A square plus A square is what? 32 square. Okay. So 2A square we got as 32 square. So A square means 32 into 32 divided by 2. So which will give 16 into 32, which is 512. So A square is what? Side into side. Side into side is what? Area of square. So no need to find square root of this. Area of square we can write 502. This complete area is 502, but we should know these two shaded areas separately. So we know diagonal divides the square into two equal parts. So area of both shaded region will be half into 502, okay, which is 256 centimeter square. So this we got. Now the remaining part is we should find this area of the base triangular part. For that we will apply Heron's formula here. So let A is 6, B is 6 and C is 8. So what will be S? 8 plus B plus C by 2. That is 6 plus 6 plus 8 by 2. That is 20 by 2, which is 10. Okay. So area of the base triangle will be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 8. So 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. Okay. So this 10 we can write 5 into 2. 4 into 4 same. See, this 4 has pair and 2 has pair. So 2 will come out, 4 will come out, root 5 will be same. So answer will be 8 root 5 centimeter square. In question number 8, floral design is given to us. Okay. In this, one triangle area is given 28 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter and this is 35 centimeter. Question number 8. So what is the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise? So total 16 tiles are there. Okay. So first we will find area of one tile. So let A be 28, B is 9, C is 35. So S will be A plus B plus C by 2. 28 plus 9 plus 35 by 2. That will be 72 by 2, that is 36. So area of one tile we can write triangular shape. Okay. So that will be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 36 minus 28, 36 minus 9, 36 minus 35. So 36 minus 28 means 8, 36 minus 9 means 27 and 1. See, 36 is a square root of 6, it will come out. Square of 36, it will come out. This 27 we can write 9 into 3. 8 we can write 4 into 2. So 36 square root is 6. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 and 2 will remain inside. That will be 6 only. So what we will get? 36 root 6 centimeter square is area of one tile. So area of 16 tiles will be 36 into 16 root 6. 576 root 6 centimeter square. Okay. Now cost is cost of tiling, means polishing. Cost of polishing 1 centimeter square area is 50 paise. So for this much area, for 576 root 6 centimeter square, it will be 50 into 576 root 6, isn't it? So 1 0 will come. This much paise. But we should know in rupees. Okay. So what we will do, divide by 100. So 288 root 6 will come, because dividing by 100 means this is paise and now this is in rupees. Now root 6 we can convert now. Root 6 is what? Approximately root 6 is 2.45. So now we can multiply this to get the final answer. ₹705.60 are the total cost.